All right, it's a very good evening. Today I'm here just to talk about there is a question that I received in my inbox. I make these videos depending on the kind of questions that you guys ask. I received a client today, and this person was really inquisitive, wanted to know about PRP. In the very first place, if you're watching this video, let me talk about PRP. PRP itself, it's platelet-rich plasma. For those that do not know, how do we get these platelets that are rich in uh, plasma? Yeah, we take off your blood sample when you come in the facility. For example, you want a PRP treatment for anything. I'm going to break them down at the end of the video. We take off the sample, and that is the blood, uh, into a vacutainer. We can use a purple top, and we separate them using a centrifuge. That centrifuge, for those that do not know, it's a machine. It's an equipment that is basically into the lab. Akakuma kaketolola. So specifically for us, we have a lab person that gets us the platelets ready for you to receive them. So after taking off the blood, we take that blood into the laboratory to process it and then separate the platelets. So when we receive those platelets, we give them back to you. We give them back to you. So it depends on the body part that you'd want to work on. These are the few uses of PRP. This is what we can use PRP for. Now, for people that have boobs and they have wrinkles, listen to this carefully. For people that have boobs and they have wrinkles, for people that would want to firm their skins around the boobs, that means if you have boobs that are saggy, people that would want to receive their sensitivity around the boobs, yes. If you're a person that lost feelings, even when someone touches you, you don't feel anything. You want to restore your feelings, PRP would do. For people that have nipples that are inwards, for a normal nipple, it's supposed to grow outwards. Yeah. For people that have those nipples that went inwards, PRP can really help you solve that. And then it gives a subtle lifting. That means surgery you do not want to do a surgical a surgical butt lift, a surgical boob lift. PRP can be of use. Yeah, tumukuba funa akola subtle lifting. It might not be significant as a person that did a surgery, but you end up with a lifted boob. Yes. So if you're a person of that category, PRP is really going to work for you. Then twinawo abechiwalata, for people that have bald heads. Yeah, it's not your fault that you got the bald head, but you're a person out there oinechiwalata. It doesn't matter where it is. This PRP would definitely stimulate hair growth. So PRP would definitely work for you. Then also we have people that would want to work on their skins. It's used in skin treatment. If you're a person that wouldn't want to grow old, yeah, you're a person who would want to work on wrinkles, yeah, you're the person that would want to rejuvenate your skin. PRP is a very good thing for you to do, yeah. And then wetuvaawo twina abantu nga gwe oli eyo, you're just out there, but then you want to have a lift in your bum. Guess what? PRP can really stimulate those muscles to grow. Chitegeza you can do a non-surgical bum lift using PRP, depending on how your financial status is. It's going to be a little bit the price is going to be a little bit higher than you using just the vacuum, using the M sculpt, but here we combine both. So we stimulate the collagen production, we stimulate the gluteal muscles to enhance the bumps themselves. Yeah. So the muscles around the bumps are going to be stimulated by the PRP that we're going to give you, and you'll end up having an increased bump. So kanoka jeri gwe that would want to really have uh, an increased bump. Yeah, not that extravagant. When you do not The results are going to come out, but they're not going to be related. They're not going to be compared to the person that had a fat transfer. You get what I mean? But yours is going to be a little bit shaped and round because of uh that PRP. So kati gwaliyo nga toyagala nnyo kingi, but you just want PRP will definitely do for you. Then muntu ky'omulala asobola okozesa PRP omuntu alina stretch marks. If you have stretch marks, yeah, stretch marks, it doesn't matter where they are, but if the stretch marks all around your body, PRP would be a good thing for you to do. Now, the good thing about the PRP is that we are giving you back your own blood. You're not going to react to it. Yes, we are giving you back your own platelets. There is no way you're going to react to it. That is the good thing about the PRP thing. Of course, the minimal side effects will be the pain and then a little bit of skin discoloration because of the injections. Of course, they're going to be the bleeding. The bleeding is minimal because where the pricks go, the fact that we are going to work around the health tissues, they'll definitely bleed a little bit. So PRP has different uses, has different functions, has different importances. For a person that is out there and you do not want to go surgical, PRP, I think it's a good way to go, and it's a good topic and a discussion to have. However, if you want to know whether PRP can really literally help you solve the problem that you have, uh, don't hesitate to reach out. Of course, my number will be shared, and my number is in bio. Please reach us out. We shall definitely sort you out. My name is Ricky. I sign out.